Listen up, you lot. Today we're tackling a steak challenge. Can we swap a pricey gourmet meal for a budget-friendly feast? Let's find out. First, we've got the Gourmet Champion, a dry-aged, bone-in ribeye. Think Wagyu, marbling like a starlit sky. Next up, the Contender, a humble flank steak, lean and ready for action. For the ribeye, we're talking Himalayan salt, freshly cracked pepper, a touch of thyme, and a drizzle of truffle oil. These ingredients elevate the dish, giving it a gourmet touch that's perfect for special occasions. On the budget side, we're using good old salt and pepper, smoked paprika for a kick, and a touch of olive oil. These simple ingredients still pack a punch, making the dish flavorful and satisfying without breaking the bank.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Amazing results. Sides that shine, elevating the experience. With the ribeye, we're going classic creamy mashed potatoes and asparagus spears, sautéed with garlic. For our flank steak, we're making crispy potato wedges and a fresh, vibrant chimichurri sauce. Plating perfection. From kitchen to table. The artistry begins with the chef's meticulous touch, arranging each element with precision and care. The ribeye takes center stage, sliced and fanned out, glistening with juices. Each slice is a testament to the perfect sear, locking in flavors and tenderness. The mashed potatoes are piped into elegant swirls. Creamy and smooth, they add a touch of sophistication to the plate, complementing the rich flavors of the steak. The flank steak is sliced thinly against the grain, piled high on a platter. Each piece is tender and juicy, showcasing the chef's skill in preparation. And the potato wedges? They're piled high, ready for dipping. Crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside, they are the perfect side to complete this gourmet experience. The final showdown, taste bud tango. The ribeye, rich, buttery, melt-in-your-mouth heaven. The flank steak, packed with flavor, a delightful chew, and that chimichurri sauce, bloody brilliant. The verdict, budget bites back? Both steaks were delicious. Could the budget meal replace the gourmet experience? It's a tough call. Which one would you choose? Hungry for more? Subscribe for more epic cooking showdowns.